nothing's wrong. A hare, a bear, and some pie to share. By Jory John and Aaron Cron. Chop, chop, chop. Mix, mix, mix. Pat, pat, pat. Ah, a warm apple pie, freshly baked, straight out of the oven. Jeff will absolutely love this. I can't wait to see the look on his face. It'll be perfect for our picnic this afternoon. Now to let it cool on the windowsill while I take a morning stroll. Bye-bye, pie. I'll be back again soon. Uh-oh, looks like rain. Uh-oh, feels like rain. Uh-oh, it is rain. Gotta save my pie. Gotta save my pie. Gotta save my pie. Gasp! It can't be. It can't be. My pie is ruined. Slip. Whomp. Sigh. Yep, this seems about right. Anders! Hey, old friend, old buddy, old pal, old chap, old chum. I let myself in. Hope that's okay. How are you? Are you ready for our picnic? I'm so excited to see what you've baked. You always make the most delicious stuff. Why are you on the floor? Did you sleep in the kitchen? Oh, yeah. Hey, Jeff. Are you okay, Anders? Me? I am okay. Sure, of course, I am always okay. I just mean that you seem a bit listless and horizontal. Look, Jeff, it's been a blast, but I really gotta get going. But you're at home, Anders. You live here. Oh, yes, that's correct. Anders, what's wrong? You can tell me anything. Nothing's wrong, Jeff. I just need to gather our picnic lunch. If you'll excuse me for a moment, no peeking. What do I do? What should I grab? Maybe this can of beans and this potato and this salt and this other stuff. Let's do this, Jeff. I don't have all day. Why is my friend acting so unlike himself today? I should probably ask him about that. That's what good friends do, after all. They check in with each other. Anders, hey, slow down. You're too fast for this pair of hairy berry legs. Sigh. What is it, Jeff? I'm simply checking on you, old buddy, old pal. All is well, Jeff. I'm in a great mood. Listen to me laugh. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, 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 ha. Okay? Bye. There goes Anders, the picture of calm. Yep, nothing's wrong with that rabbit. Still, I can't help but feel like my best friend isn't being totally forthcoming. Maybe I should just give him a little space. But I'll also stay close by, in case he wants to talk. I'll be back here, old friend. We can just walk in silence, okay? Silence is lovely sometimes, yes. But please, do let me know if you need anything at all. But yeah, let's just be silent for a while. Does that sound okay? The thing I just said about silence? How does that sound? Good, huh? Pant, pant, pant. Gosh, when's the rabbit going to stop moving so darn quickly? Wheeze. Run, run, run. Hi, did you enjoy your space? Sigh. Is that basket too heavy? Let me carry it. That's okay, Jeff. Are you too warm? Let me spritz you with some cool water. No thanks, Jeff. Is the pollen bothering you? I know how your allergies act up this time of year. I'm fine, Jeff. Are you hungry? Hey, I bet you're hungry. Let's just sit right here and have our picnic because any spot is a perfect picnic spot if you have a blanket, some food, and a friend. Okay, Jeff, okay. But please keep your expectations at a medium or a low or a super low. Let's see what you packed. Anders, that looks, delicious. Okay, look, Jeff, maybe something is a little bit wrong after all. It started when I tried to make you a pie, a surprise pie. Long story short, it got destroyed by an epic storm, and now all I have is our picnic. All I have for our picnic is this really weird stuff. A pie? Gosh, I love pie, Anders. I know, Jeff, I know. I chopped and I baked all morning, and now all I have to show for it is a pile of sludge. I can't believe I let you down like this. Anders, first of all, thank you. What a wonderful gesture. Second of all, we can make another pie. This time we'll make it together. I suppose that sounds okay. I just want to spend time with you, old friend. It doesn't matter if we're sitting in a field, walking down a twisty path, or baking in your kitchen. Yeah, Jeff, that sounds grand. Say, are you starting to feel better, Anders? Yes, Jeff. Thanks for checking on me. That's what good friends do, old buddy, old pal. Voila! Look at that. The pie of the century. Yum. This smells so good. I can't wait. Say, are you guys baking something? I think I smell pie. Sniff, sniff. Yeah, there's definitely a pie in there. I see it. Could somebody describe the pie to me? Looks like a chocolate cherry pecan. Is there enough to share? Gosh, I hope so. Sniff, sniff. A little bit later. Burp. Well, this is lovely. Food really brings everyone together, huh, Jeff? It's truly one of the best ways to bond with your friends, Anders. Everything sure seems swell when you're sharing dessert. Now, could you pass me another slice? Thanks for being a trusted friend, Jeff. Good friends are like dessert, Anders. They're always there for you at the end of the day. The end.